With this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to enter a grade in BoackBoard and also how to print a grade report. So from the main menu, we're going to go down to the Grade Center and then click Full Grade Center. This brings up the entire grading system. In other words, it shows all of the different graded assignments across the top. When you have an icon that looks like this, it means that it needs grading. So let's go ahead and enter a grade for this particular student. So you will click the attempt. So you'll notice that if it's a Microsoft Office type product, it's going to actually show up into a pane right here so that you don't actually have to download the file. If for some reason you have trouble reading it, you can actually download the file by clicking the download button, and it'll go to your downloads folder, wherever that happens to be. So if you can read it online right here and it looks like everything's okay, then you can enter the grade. In this case, the maximum is 1 point. So I'll enter a 1 and then click submit. So now sometimes you'll want to print a grade report. I usually try to do that at midterm to show them what their grades are. Of course, they can look at this on their particular My Grades section, but it's just as convenient. It shows them where they are and where they need to go. And then I usually provide that at the end of the semester also. So from here, you would click Reports, click Create Report. I'll just put in test, but you do need to put a title into the report. You could put in some custom text there. In this case, it's set up for all users, but you can select users. If you just wanted to send a grade report to a particular student that has requested it, you could do that. But in this case, I'll click all users. The default is it gives their first name and last name. You can select some of the other options here. Normally I want to keep selected columns currently displayed in the grid. In other words, what we just previously looked at. And so I really don't change that much information at all. So now what's going to happen is when you click submit, it's going to generate a grade report for each student. You'll notice some students already have the grade posted. So then what you can do then is print this report as a PDF file. And then you can send that out individually. So in this case, I would click Export as PDF. And for now, I'm just going to keep it as the default name. Save it to the desktop. So now when I go to my desktop, it's printed as a PDF file. Close that out. So that's how you enter a grade and do a print report within BoackBoard.